Hey Arthur, how are you?
I'm doing very fine. How are you doing today?
Not bad.
I'm sitting here in my Invacare 2GTR wheelchair operated with a joystick. I also have this thing to make it tilt forward. It tilts back as well.
Well, that seems awful high tech. Do you have anything that's sort of kind of down home?
No, I don't have one of those. I do have these turkeys. They're kind of down home. If you gobble just right, they'll talk to you.
What, they talk to you?
Yeah, you gotta hit a D sharp or E flat.
All right, let me try.
Okay. Higher.
Uh-oh, they're not talking.
Higher.
Uh-oh, maybe they're thirsty.
Is your thing dry? Try that again.
Ew, do another one. Encore.
I don't know if they're gonna do it twice. I'm just annoying them now.
Maybe back up and do it.
Last time you said a bad word in Turkey.
Yeah, really.
They were just insulted.
Do that again?
Again?
Third time's a charm.
Are you just making fun of me, Arthur?
No, I think the turkeys are cool.
I am certainly not a turkey whisperer.
Say like a contralto.
I'm a tenor.
Talk like a man.
Turkey! 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 Turkey!
Gobble, you gotta gobble.
Gobble, gobble! Oh my goodness. All right, this video is going to be edited down. Thank you very much.
Cheese.
All right, Archie, say goodbye.
Goodbye.